Yes, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy LB and welcome back to another tutorial video, guys. Today let's see how to create this AI effect inside Premiere Pro. Just you can use Premiere Pro, CapCut, DaVinci Resolve and other software which it can edit the video. Yo bro, this is a pretty effect, guys. So for me, I'm going to use Adobe Premiere Pro. So you can use any software which you have. So now let's see how it is. Yes, alright guys, so now here I'm in Premiere Pro and this is the clip I just want to use, guys. So now you can use any clip you have. So now I'm going to export this clip as this frame. Okay, so now let me export it. Yeah, let me put it on desktop. Yeah, okay. So now let's jump on website called Keeber. So now click here on create video, because I just want to transform the video into AI. Okay, so now I have to click here. Okay, and then I'm going to upload my video file here. So now let me browse it. Is this one? Okay, and then after this, click here on edit your prompt. So here on this prompt, guys, you have to describe what kind of video you want. So now here I can type as skeleton guy with fire. So now you can just type anything you want here. Okay, depend what kind of AI you want. Yeah, after typing it, so now click here on photo layeristic. Okay, so after clicking on, then click here on video setting. So this LVOV must be on 4. I just want to use this version 1. Okay, yeah, this is the version 1. Then click here on generate preview, and then still you have to wait a little bit. So now this website is generating the preview frames. So now you have to wait. It depends how long your video clip is. So you know, guys, my video clip, it has 3 seconds. Okay, so this is the final result of the prompt which I have been typing on it. Okay, and then let me click here on this video. Yeah, this one, and then click here on create video. Wait a few little bit. Guys, you have to make this stuff using internet connection. Okay, you can't do it without network, so the network is necessary to create this AI effect. So guys, when it's done, yeah, this is pretty cool, guys. Okay, so when it's done, it is time to import it. So first I'm going to download this video which have been created. Okay, so I have to click here to download. Okay, yeah, the download is done. After this, I have to import it in the Premiere Pro. So now I'm back here on Premiere Pro. So now I just want to browse my video. Okay, so now let me just I have to put it up here on this clip. So this is how my clip is, guys. And then here I can cut it in the middle too. It's like transform into skeleton guy. You know, guys, this effect is very cool. Yeah, this is cool, bro. Thanks for watching. I know this video is gonna be helpful to you. So now just go and practice this effect. I know it will be pretty for you guys. So like, subscribe and drop your comment down below. And thank you for watching. Peace.